The Maurya administration. The Maurya administration was known for its efficient and centralized governance system, which played a crucial role in the stability and success of the Mauryan Empire. Here are some key aspects of the Maurya administration. Central administration. Mauryan Empire had centralized administrative structure with the emperor at the helm. The emperor held supreme authority and made important decisions regarding governance, legislation, and military matters. Provincial administration. The empire was divided into provinces called Janapadas or Mahajanapadas, which were further subdivided into districts or Vishayas. Each province was governed by a royal appointee known as Mahamatya or Maharajadhiraja. Provincial administration was responsible for maintaining law and order, collecting taxes, and overseeing local affairs. Administrative hierarchy. The empire had a hierarchical administrative structure with officials at different levels. The emperor's close advisors and ministers formed the core of the administration. They included positions like the Mantri Prishad, Council of Ministers, the Yuvraja, Crown Prince, and the Purohita, Chief Priest. These officials provided counsel to the emperor and played crucial roles in decision-making. Local governance. The Mauryan Empire had a system of local governance to ensure effective administration in different regions. Local administrative bodies, such as village assemblies or Grama Sabhas, played a role in local decision-making, resolving disputes, and implementing policies at the grassroots level. Revenue administration. Revenue collection was a significant aspect of the Mauryan administration. The empire employed a sophisticated revenue administration system. Land revenue, known as Bali, was a primary source of income for the empire. The assessment and collection of taxes were overseen by officials known as Sanadas or Mahamatras. Judicial system. The Mauryan Empire had a well-developed judicial system. The emperor was the supreme judge and had the final authority in legal matters. The administration had courts that dealt with civil and criminal cases. Judges and officials known as dharmasthins presided over the courts and ensured justice was delivered based on dharma, righteousness, and the laws of the land. Postal and communication network. The Mauryan Empire established an efficient postal and communication network known as the Patha system. It included well-maintained roads with rest houses, postal stations, and horse relays. This network facilitated the movement of officials, messengers, and trade throughout the empire. Census and record keeping. The Mauryan administration conducted regular population censuses to keep track of the empire's demographics and resources. Extensive record keeping was maintained to document land holdings, revenue collection, and other administrative matters. This helped in effective governance and resource management. The Mauryan administration under Chandragupta Maurya and his successors was characterized by its strong centralization, efficient bureaucracy, and focus on governance and welfare. While specific details of the administration may vary based on historical accounts and regional variations, the overall system played a crucial role in the stability and longevity of the Mauryan Empire.